guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing fantastic. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and for your support. To the new guys who are watching me for the very first time, my name is Sandra and welcome Stormy and welcome to Sandy's World. Yes, so guys, in today's video I am going to show you some of the things I do to declutter my mind. And if you've ever been diagnosed with mental illnesses, or sometimes you have some episodes of a panic attack, anxiety attacks, or you have a feeling of everything is overwhelming, and you need like to just like pause, breathe in, breathe out, forget about everything else, and it's just you. So for those who've been watching me for the longest time since I started, I used to do video based on mental health and mental issues and everything else. And I remember there was a time I mentioned when I was in campus, I was not in a very good place mentally. Everyone we went to campus with knows that I was not in a very good place mentally, and I did some stuff I'm not proud of. And I guess as I grew up, or as time went by, I was able to, okay, I cannot like say I was able to deal with it or something, because I still go to therapy. I still try as much as I can to be a different person. And last year, like, it was crazy for me. Like, it was super crazy for me. And I had some of these days where I would cry myself to bed. I wouldn't sleep for days. I wouldn't leave the house for days. It was just like wake up, stay in bed the whole day. That was it. So when this year, before last year ended, I made a promise to myself. I told myself that this year I'm going to do things differently. I'm going to look after myself more, specifically when it comes to my mental health. And for a start, it was like I was like, I don't think I can do this, because yes, I have to go to therapy. Yes, sometimes things get bad. Yes, I have support and everything else, but sometimes you just feel like you don't have like all like the support you need, because you feel like people don't understand you. So in this video, I decided, because it's almost end of January. January will be ending next week. So I thought that I'm going to show you some of the things I do when I'm feeling overwhelmed, or when I'm feeling like I have all these feelings that I cannot be able to understand. When I feel sad out of nowhere, like I feel sad sometimes, like for no apparent reason, like I cannot be able to tell why I'm even feeling sad, like I cannot be able to do. So when the year started, I actually went and I bought 4 books. Yes guys, 4 books. So for me, because I have like a lot of things I normally do before the day ends, I decided, because I feel like sometimes I have a lot of things I do, and then at the end of the day, especially when the day is ending and I have not been able to accomplish all those things, I start to panic. And when I start to panic, I start feeling sad. And when I start feeling sad, that means I'm not going to sleep, because I have all these feelings like I'm a failure, like I cannot do this, like why can I not even stick to a simple schedule. So I told myself, for every single day before I sleep, I have to plan my tomorrow. Like anytime I go to bed, I have to plan. So I actually bought this daily planner book. Yes, I actually bought it. It has like you can wake up at 7 to up to around 6. So like I always update it, guys. I always update it. Like, this is what I'm planning, I'm supposed to do today. This is what I did yesterday. At the end of the day, I sit down and I tell myself, this is what I have been able to achieve. And then I bought this journal to be updating my day to day. Like, what am I feeling? How was my day? What was I able to achieve? If I wasn't able to achieve something, what really made me not achieve it? Plus, every single morning when I wake up, I have to write 5 things I'm grateful about. And every single day, I have to write different things. Like for today guys, let me show you. So today, these are the things I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for nature's beauty, for my dog. I'm grateful for that I'm super, super creative. I have a family, and I'm also grateful for that I am healthy and strong. So like doing that, having a personal journal and also some gratitude sort of things, they normally helps me to be able to appreciate every small things that I have. Like, okay, as much as, let's say for example today I was supposed to do 1 2 3 and I only managed to do like 3 of the main important things. So at the end of the day, I'm going to tap myself on the shoulder and then tell myself, at least you are able to do this and this and this, and that is okay. You still have tomorrow. Guys, I hope everyone is understanding me. So the second thing I do, I love reading. Like this year I told myself I'm going to build my spiritual journey. It's not that I'm a believer of some sort, but I feel like I don't have that connection between myself and my spiritual self. I don't know if I'm making sense. So I decided that I'll try to be more spiritual, like try to do meditation, try to get to understand what my inner self wants. So I have been doing meditation like every morning when I wake up. Nowadays I'm waking up at 5, and one of these days I'm going to show you my morning routine, guys. So I wake up at 5 and then I meditate for like 30 minutes and then I start writing everything down. I write what I'm grateful for and then I breathe in, I breathe out, I take water, and then I do yoga, and yeah, that is it. And by the time the sun is rising, I feel like I'm ready to kickstart the day, guys. Also, another thing is I've also been reading some books on self-healing. And right now, there's a book I'm reading, and for everyone who feels super, super inferior about themselves, I would recommend one book that has been helping me. It's by Louise Hay, and it's called You Can Heal Your Life. So this book normally tries to connect yourself between your physical self, your emotions, your mental space, and it tries to connect and make you into one person. So yes, so 3 things I've mentioned: planning your day, having a journal, reading, meditating. Actually, it's 4 things. And another thing that has been helping me this year, it's obviously we all know it's Tom. Having a dog. I know, okay, you might be not like fan of pets, but you can also try to explore other stuff. But for me, having Storm has been one of my greatest things that has happened to me this year, because I feel like him cuddling with me, us going out for a walk, us playing, we trying to train him, which is actually turning out really bad. I feel like it has been helping me kinda, because I'm not alone. Like, I'm not alone in the house. So yeah. So the final thing is, I actually last year around June, like I was not in a very good place mentally. So my therapist recommended that I should come up with a mini garden, and coming up with a mini garden was a way to make me feel like I have some sort of like responsibility in my life. And I actually started a mini garden. I have planted mint. I also have some onions. Yes, but mostly only those. So I'm going to show you the mini garden and how it's looking, and I'm actually loving it, because as much as sometimes I forgot, or sometimes I'm having some dark days and I forgot to water it or anything else, it's still surviving, showing me that even on the darkest days you can still rise. You understand? Like, even when it's so dark, you can still rise. Yeah, so guys, this is my mini garden. You can see the mints actually doing great. I have some onions here. I'm actually planning to plant these. I'll either do that today or tomorrow. And then you can see my baby boy here. Hi, baby. Hi, how are you? Guys, isn't he not so cute? He's cute. Yeah, doing that. So I'm also planning to plant rosemary. I'm actually looking for more herbs to plant, but so far this is what I have. This is what I have been taking care of, and I'm actually a proud mom of plant mom or whatever, I don't know, but yes. Yeah, so guys, so last and the final thing I normally do is I listen to music, podcasts, and audiobooks. So what I normally do is, if I feel overwhelmed or I feel like I don't know what I want, I'm just like there, I'm just like surviving, I listen to my favorite songs, or I listen to something that will make me laugh, or I watch something interesting. Yeah, so all those things, I feel like since the year started, they've actually been able to make me realize I'm not as broken as I used to think. And I feel like I have the power. I have the power to control my own emotions, my own thoughts, and my own feelings. Yes, because so the moment I write something down, I forget about it. The moment I listen to something that I am relating with, it makes me realize I'm not alone in this. The moment I feel like I can do something, like I feel like someone else telling me, it's just like it's all in your mind. It makes me feel like I can do this. So guys, yes. So comment down below and tell me if you feel overwhelmed, if you feel like you cannot do this anymore. What are some of the ways that you do or you're planning to do? There's so many things you can do. It just depends with the person, your passions, your likes. It all depends with what you want. Also, yeah, like I'm also looking forward to like doing a lot of traveling this year. Yeah, so that is also one thing I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get rid of my fear. February, I want to work on my greatest fear of water. And I'm really hoping and closing my fingers that by the time February is done, that phobia I will not be having that phobia anymore. Yeah, so guys, comment down below and tell me, what do you do? What are some of the things you do to get rid of unwanted thoughts? Do you go for a walk? Do you jog? Do you listen to music? Do you listen to podcasts? Do you travel? Because yeah, some people just like, I'm not feeling okay, I have to travel. If you're that kind of a person, you can also suggest for me some of the destinations that I can take place this year. Like I want to take the risk and travel a lot and a lot and a lot. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you're going to like, and I hope you're going to share, and I also hope that you're going to subscribe. Yeah, so guys, I have work to do. So allow me to get back to work, and let me see you in the next video. Bye.